to Vlogmas day 10 today. How are we on day 10 already? What looks different about me today? I can't work it out. I think I went a little bit heavy on the eyebrows. Oh well, oh well. Right, we are ready to go and get the Christmas tree. So yes, let the fun begin. If you saw last year, it was crazy weather and as you just saw, it snowed this morning. So let's go and see what chaos happens this time. Oh, will you focus on me, not Jeffrey over there? Thank you. This is what I am wearing. I'm sorry my mirror is not spruced up. But yeah, this is the outfit. My white fluffy baby if you want to, oh, well that one, whatever it is, E17 coat is out. I'm wearing that and yeah, we need to go. We need to go right now. Oh, thank you. Is he in? He is in, isn't he? You, thank you. Ooh. Oh. It's really chucking it down now, isn't it? Oh, sleeting. Okay, so to start, we're in a blizzard, everyone. Just the usual for us. Oh, it's really snowing. It's really snowing though.
Keep your eyes on the road.
My eyes are on the road. My full concentration is on the treacherous conditions that are ahead of us. I am our pilot today. What are you feeling? I'll turn the music down so we don't get copyrighted.
Scared.
I'm a good driver. I think I'll have to up the speed of the windscreen like this. Oh my gosh, Mum, we're literally in a Christmas film. Oh, I'd like to buy. Look at this. Oh, isn't this special?
They're real big snowflakes as well.
Ones, aren't they? They're like cornflakes. They're bigger than cornflakes. That's how you know it's a proper snow.
Are we on audio? Do they hear our voice?
Oh yeah, it's got good audio.
Hello.
I am going to put you, oh my gosh, in my pocket because it's black ice, it's snowing on the camera, I don't want to fall and squish you, so go in pocket. They do look nice. Very cute. Yeah. And there's not as many people, it's easier to vlog. Oh, the cards are nice. So pretty. And then if you turn it round, you can see what you're filming. That way a little bit. That's it, panning. Look at panning.
Going to switch off for a minute until we see something exciting.
That's the spirit. Crepes and coffee. Don't forget us. Oh,
You get a crepe.
welcome to Church Farm Christmas Tree Forestry. Oh, it's so magical.
Oh, I've missed the sign.
Where did we park? Because last year it was through there. Is this the parking?
Is it here?
Oh no, not by a combine harvest.
Yeah, let's go there. There. It's icy
Over here.
everywhere.
Over here.
Okay.
Careful.
One of us is going to have to hold the stand and one's going to have to hold the pole. Okay. Oh, right, let's do this.
Once you found one, grab all the guys with the green vests or high vis, they'll cut and net it for you.
Lovely.
But you can turn that upside down, the lads will know that you're waiting for them.
Look at the baby trees. Yeah, I bet you just want to get one of them and just be done. Oh, don't fall in the heap with the pole. Right. Are you ready? Oh, it's nice, isn't it? I see the fire. Let's just check quickly. Lovey, top of the sheet, what did it say? Other side, other side.
Grab a stick.
What, we've done that? No, oh hang on, no, maybe it was the other side. What's the different types?
So
it was the top one, wasn't it? Nordman fir, a slow growing bushy with soft needles. No, Norway spruce. Where's the spruces? This is spruces. Are we sure?
Am I on fire?
No, you're not. You're fine. Oh my god. Well, I think last year we were going 5. Too big, too big. Too big. One of us is going to fall over here. I can feel it now. We're going in.
Griswolds are going in.
Oh my goodness me. That's a nice one. To steady you. To steady you. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. That's a bit, but how big's that one? We can't go that small. Tell me. Oh no, is he 5? That's 5 foot. Oh, look at this big bushy one. I thought these type were going to be slimmer. Oh, look at the one next to it. Look at this one. What a nice one that is. That's lovely, that.
These are big.
It's big. Yeah, they are a bit bigger. I nearly went. Didn't I? Oh, look at the size of those ones. Whoa. This is magical. What are we looking for again?
A tree.
Norway
spruce.
So are you sure it's the spruce?
Yes.
Just check again.
Norway
Oh no. How about that one down there?
Yeah, well, actually there's a few.
Whoa! Oh my! Oh, look at the little baby tree down here. Look at that one, that's cute. We're getting in again. Oh, good shout, Lovey, good shout. I was actually joking looking at the... Oh, Mum, look at this one. How tall's this one? Here's a nice one. What is he near? He's near the hole and the 5 trees on the veg hole and the big Christmas pudding one. That's the big Christmas pudding one next to him.
Looking at these 2 here.
Oh, good shout. Good. And they've found a tree. They've inverted their pole.
I thought you were on your walkie-talkie then.
I found the tree. I found the tree. Get them here. I'm all zoomed in. Let's go down the lane. I see he's taken a lot of damage in the snow. He's nice, but he's gone droopy. Oh, Mum, what about... Hang on. There's the hole I fell in earlier. Over there. This is it, because they're candle shaped. Have a read on the nut. What does it say again? Right, let me just... Norway spruce has short prickly needles. Great choice for cat owners. Okay, yeah. Okay. This is just a dream. Oh, wow. Look at those in the middle. They're phenomenal, aren't they? Let's have a look at him through the foliage.
Literally pole vaulting in a minute.
You look like an ancient person in ancient times going on a hike.
That's what I am.
Oh, he's a bit bushier, isn't he? How tall? I think our other one. He's about 5. No, other one. You got frostbite. Let's just... That's what I've got on. Oh, ski gloves. Have you not got any gloves? Yeah, I've got gloves on. Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? In the lane. Snow. Oh, somebody's having a snowball fight. That's so cute. Yeah, I think you're right, Mum. I don't think there's... Yeah. Right, should we go to our tree? I think we found it. I think we found the tree. Hopefully it's the right type. Having a snowball fight. So cute.
Now I feel like I'm rowing.
Yeah. Snowball. This is our tree. This is it, because that's the big Christmas pudding one, isn't it? Isn't that the big Christmas pudding? There. Should we measure him again? Yeah. Oh, he's lovely. Right, hang on, this happened last year. Older thing. Are you all right for a second? Right, let me get in there, because if we get it's right in without damaging him. When you're passing, can you just check our tree looks good on the other side as well, please, lovey? Check he's not got a hole in. Is he good? I'll stay with him, I'll guard. You're coming home with us. We found the tree! The pole is inverted. Oh, somebody else has found their tree. I can see an inverted pole. You see that? Another tree finder. Oh. You see that there waving in the air? Oh, there they are. They've found their tree. Are in the sky. Wow. Oh, they're making arrows. Wow. Mum insists that I go and get warm by the fire for a minute in case I get frostbite. They've got a tree rush on. And the poor guy said there's loads of orange lights in the air, but there's only one tree chopper because everybody's stuck in the road at the bottom of the farm. It's chaos. I was having a natter with him by the fire, bless his soul. He was saying everybody's freezing. They had hand warmers and all that, but it melted. Crazy. 9 till 5 they're out here. Shout out to the tree choppers, tree preppers, tree welcomers. They're very good. We love Church Farm. It's so lovely. And bye. I got talking to the tree guy. He's lovely. Have you met him? Yeah, they're lovely. I said I'll swap with you now so you don't get frostbite. Are you okay? Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Just warm me if there's a car. I don't have something on my face. It's from behind better because I look all intense right now. He's in. He's in. You know, the sweets, like the candy canes and that. Love it. I can see that tree in my house. Favourite Christmas film is on. Oh, it's the best though, isn't it? This is meant to be. It knew it was Christmas tree day. It knew it. The Christmas tree is in. and soon it will be up. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. Look at this. Oh my goodness me. I'm coming to get cozy. Wait till you smell this. Sniff this. It's good, isn't it? How you feeling? Good. It's good. Oh my gosh. This smells insane.
A positive attitude and
this is where we're up to. The onesie is on. Oh, I can't get the hood up. Oh no, that's not going up right now for some reason. Maybe I'm too squished to... We're in. The onesie is on and we are editing on the sofa, very cozy. So that's where we're at. Cozy and editing. We love it. I have a lot to edit right now. I have a few videos to catch up on.